I was going through all these mental health problems okay ang saksak onek mane down feel khayo ani low self esteem rogon kha okay now as I look back manang wan sugota it was just a phase bucket list as in এমন তো কোনো প্ল্যান খাইজায়াখো I'm just going with the flow but ani kaisa plan tongo ani baba bo mane society ni bai kam khayo he's a social activist कि बोमरा सिंह दा हम करने काम खायो and it really motivates me like I want to do something for my community tabung ni generation no kabang ma borok no face khai tong mental health issues and sometimes they think that it's the end of the world they want to quit they don't want to live anymore so I would want to say them ki if I can do it you can do it as well matlab don't give up
Klumbay kya norno haino hailam supiro ani kothok podcast ni katal episode so ang jotono no puilano bisi katal ni chibaya farna muchungo jotno no belated happy new year 2025 aw tinisung sino katal episodes this year ni first episode ngai abono gatinang nongbai tui fekya je guest nang tui fekya bongkha sini hasteni puila burui miss india or title no bo pai phaikya bong khasini bukhokjak pushpita morasing tini singbini journey struggle ni simi chengai bini pura grooming bini je preparation taibo pai phaimani yakulo bini future ni nahan mungrok bini future ni steps rok tamungnai aboni tesin kisa kokseri kok salakya gnorok paithak jora o episode naidi naiman yakulo norok bonote ba khamke cinema na heni yang boito khlayo Kita ya sekok sayawi. Let's start our podcast. Ani sister nang puila na lam sogon podcast tai na puila na congratulations hanamu chu.
thank you so much Tara
Sister nung bahai tum.
ang kaham na dara nang ke bahai tong
Amo ka ham no. Okay sister no to busi nei bang utabok tai balang hai pa no na koi nei.
da
Kindly nini sini mung sumo kisa. Details ka sai kana dis.
okay ani bu mung pushpita murasing narok ni newly crowned GMI Miss India 2024 and now ang tabuk Miss Culture International thangai India no represent khainai which is going to be held on Jakarta Indonesia so currently ang medical laboratory technology poritungo ani para hangke Potiswari Santir Bazar West Tripura South Tripura sorry
Saudo tak saudo
Yeah.
tak. Direct na to sister. Sister asli era yang direct baklay siyon.
okay
Sister baik nung mo je tak beauty pageant no ta. Or feel to baik nung pakla ke hanon baik attract ke. Nono sabo yak soka. Ke sai ke.
so beauty pageant khaina ni ani kuno mane it was never a part of my plan so ani parents always anos how that you need to be in medical field anyhow mane you have to study mane to Indian parents ni kasi expectations
Correct.
tong mane nung porna nangu mane you have to get a government job or something so I was like okay mane am tinuta ke mane kono plan tong mania so I was 16 hangkai I was doing my high school from St. John's Whitehall in Shillong hangkai masa dara tongo Nazareth Hospital dara parito shinai hingki borok kaisa katal studio mane khulu
Mana
guta furu
Tripura ni borok.
in Tripran borok mane bo Nazareth job khai tonguta
Okay.
he's a doctor hingki borok afru anos how Pushpita would you like to model for a studio nai hingki I was a very shy girl hingki ang saka borok like no like I can't do it and then borok sawa no Pushpita we see the spark in you just do it for once then I was like okay I will do it and then I did the shoot and everything the video went viral and I started getting calls and after that year ang parikin ang pageantry khaina chenka first I did Face of Meghalaya okay I was in top 5 there after that hingki ang Sansif Mega Miss Northeast Thangka where I was one of the state winner I was Mega Miss Tripura 2023 after that again I went to Miss Hornbill International which held in Dimapur Nagaland amon pore hingkai ang top 5 thangka but I couldn't win the crown and it really broke my heart amon pore hingka again I went to Femina also I got rejected ek bar the next time I went I was one of the state finalists but I couldn't be in the finale So after that, I was like so heartbroken and all. I won't put it. One fine day, I was scrolling my phone. Hinky ang kasi email man on GMI ni siming that
Okay.
nung participate the kind of GMI Miss India wo. Hinky ang mane surok sungka. Put hinky borok sa na audition na nang na hinay.
Okay.
Hinky ang audition rekan. Luckily, mane ang crack khai ka audition. Okay, yeah, that's how I became the first Miss India from Tripura.
Amo nang sunan to one sister mane ni no se nang Miss India ang mane experience abo sun ke share ke kana tamale sister sina haste ni buni bosong tung sin bosong tung ke basa kuchu crown as title maya ko bari especially this sister nang kisani ni experience no share ke kana
Experience to onek ups and downs because chung notice ni we belong from small town and chung ase exposure maya lack of resources boro asak knowledge karai especially in Tripura boro wants to go that Jeffru chung beauty page you know thangka hanke we are being objectified by people
okay
and
mane
then
sister looks in bagita
looks wise bo of course mane in pageantry mane jo side on kaisa good side butongo bad side butongo hinke good side hinkai to mane chung exposure mano and then we get to represent our state or maybe our country hinkai we get to show our talents and we can like tell people that how rooted we are with our culture. Hankai bad side hankai boro wants to go that we are being objectified or something. But it's nothing like that. Like we all have our own point of view. So yeah. Something I know.
ni sister tek tek se bisang habe sana mo sungka tani na competition ni sun ke sai khana na ta GMI je Miss India je no paimani apni suna apni kisa sai khana de sister tam difference GMI te femina rock te kangma tong
So GMI Miss India wo chung Jeffru like 30 contestants phaine compete khayo from all over India. So I was the winner. Hangai Odisha hangai first runners up, Maharashtra hangai second runners up hangka. Hangai Jeffru chung mane Femina Miss India pai afrong ke chung Miss World lo thangu. Hangai omma hai kabang mano branch tongo pageantry wo Miss Grand India, Miss Cosmo India, Femina Miss India, Liva Miss Diva India, hangai GMI Miss India. Hangai omma hai kabang mano branch tongo. Hangai Jeffru nang kaise beauty pageant pai national level lo. Hinke borok no rohoro afro man nini country no represent khaina bagai alka country wo hinke tabuk as I am the GMI Miss India so now ang to tabuk Miss Culture International thangai India no represent khainai hinke tak femina pai kha hankai Miss World lo thangu hankai Miss Grand in India pai kha hankai Miss Grand International lo thangu e om hanke kabang mano branch tongu ta
ni sister hanya continue khayo nai na sister tabli no je jarli to sangnuk ka nang champion ka khub nai to haba dawo no kulgo to kama busu tin yang mai him kana
yes
kama struggles kai kana challenges pai kana ka barong no kya samas kai kana le sister
challenges in the sense mane Jeffru chung kaisa mane kahammani khaina thang chung onek nu struggle ma khayo chung onek rejection face ma khayo like I started modeling when I was 16 now I am 19 so ang past 4 years so onek rejection bo face khai ka national bo regional to khai liya zonal bo khai ka so like Jeffru pan mane we have to think that no matter how the situation is we should never give up because we only live once
Correct.
okay that's how matlab I overcome all my things and I'm really grateful that my parents are really supportive mane borok just mane ang kachara want chuka that I will quit all this pageantry and all but my mom was like no you gotta do this so yeah that's all
ko kari sister ngakang sunam song ta sia tak je beauty page no ta criteria la ta ma sister jodi ara participate khainang ka ta tak buibo musung to na ka bang ma mane beauty mane nai thona na ho haide manam te kun criteria da ta
Amti Dukunia criteria is it's I believe that beauty is not what we see it's inside us so when you have beauty and you have a cause that's what I would call beauty so criteria hankai you have to be 5.3 inches
okay
5.3 feet sorry 5.3 feet without heels and in age hankai 18 ni siming 25 years choranga nangu unmarried amtita
ko criteria tam ta
criteria for Miss. Tini to sai me ang siya no tini compete to khai jagya. Tita.
ये looks रो कुन बेजल करी ta
Looks to matter khaya.
pele khna to pele khan isi da tabang kisi no education de kya sai man mo nung to Miss India to sin bagi no class 7 nung pori betong ini je course sampai besok ke second ada sih tam line pori tong apa
ang ani schooling hengkai St. John's Whitehall ni siming khai ka science de hengkai abo ni pore hengkyang Martin Luther Christian University wo bachelors in medical laboratory technology khai ka an kitabuk ang pori tongo azaga wo mane degree payaku second year ota
sister nung jodoh dik dia smart hai sih ge sister nung challenge ak mana challenge ni nang nang pori betong ba nung peasantry ko khai tung ge nung bai ke time table bai ke nung adjust khai
onek no mane it's very hard to maintain because being a science student and being in medical background it's really hard because jing onek ma poriu day and night like and being in medical field it's very tough like we have to be bookworm and then I am someone like who doesn't like traveling at all but I always have to keep on traveling for my work कि I'm thinking maintain ma khayo ups and downs sometimes college leave ma na ho because काम ni bagi thara nangu कि फाइका हंगे तैसे हॉस्पिटल एक्स्ट्रा शिफ्ट रोक मा खायो गैप उन थांग लका सारो आई am tita
sister tang je buji mari nung ni speaking bar kop kaham da we nung articulate khai ko rok no ge ni oro ni smartness bunduk jago ni education background mo si jago gan haipan abo to nung bo phacha to maya na nung cultivate khai kana no ka moi nung kun trainer ro na kha na nung self made da ab ke sai kana this
actually I would say myself as self-made because I started modeling when I was 16 and now I'm 19 so it took me so long mane prepare khaina bagai hangkai charai fru kaisa am TVO show phayo ang after class 7 8 something like that ya after nayuta o show no go show hangkai something India's next top model hanai hangkai ang nayu hangkai ang kang walk rock practice khayo hangkai aman pore hangkai ani boards pai nai mane class 10 ni boards pai ni parents ano smartphone pai rekhata hingke ang YouTube naina ye mante walk rock surungka hingke amon pore hingkai my father he's a retired principal hingke bo he's a social activist as well bahut mane mura singh da ham karni bagi kam khayo
okay
hingke ang bonon no guchare pun shiming no next speech rogmani hingke like he really inspires me like I really wanted to be like him like I wanted to speak like him and then am tikheno ang Catholic school of Porikha, okay, hostel of Tomobla, okay, every Sunday ting church rogo thangu, okay, Bible reading rog maru in front of everyone. And after that, I started reaching out to people, ang speech rog rakha, debate competition rog khai mane participate khai ka. Schooling obo and college obo ta. Debate competition rog, okay, public speaking class rog nahaka. So yeah, that helped me a lot in my journey. Am tita dara.
Bele kaham sister kasi rasam tak ta light question question no
Okay.
Kang sanam sum tak sister ni hobbies rok le bahai tam ro
Ani hobbies inke it's not only one it's so many things I love to do everything ani hobbies inke I love to work out I'm someone who's a fitness enthusiast okay mane whenever I feel sad I go to the gym whenever I feel happy I go to the gym I'm always at the gym inke yeah and I love to cook okay I'll say these are my hobbies and sometimes ang ruburuchabo and sometimes I write also so it's so many things that I love to do
correct bele kaham sister tamle nong yo mod manong je pageant ro o fitness ko kaise important aspect
of course yeah
bele kaham to sister gang tak sung sister din inspiration holo sabo live hota
inspiration
saman ko inspire
inspiration ke ang sanai sida rang no age busaka that being a model was never a part of my plan ang just mane it was just a patient mane ang mane nai thok jagu amti heita mane hepo na ang kaisa ung nai omo haya hanke my own brother he's my sibling his name is Amit Murasing
so famous no
so mane he's an MMA fighter okay and on the year 2019 and 20 he got really famous in Tripura because bo mane bini he was champion for India he won gold belt
correct
hinke mane it really inspired me mane I as a kid I wanted to be like him mane ang wants to gota that when I grow up like I want to be someone like him who people will look up to amte heta so he's my inspiration I will say
bele khata sister to tak sister nang je position nang tak tongo nang tak ulo ko nahar kan ke nang tam rok change khaina musung in a sense ta ron nang ta to Miss India mangkha hema jore nang uglok na hanna ka nang kama nung nanin flows rok tong maro dini shortcomings rok ga nang tam change rok khaina musung uglok na ha mane pass not ta
Flaws in the sense ang onek self doubt tong mani mane ang question khayo mane I went through a lots of things in lockdown because no ko tong ge mane onek overthink ro khayo hinke ang onek self doubt khai ka sak no ang question bu khayo that mane ang khai de mano mane not in this field mane even in studies ro kang wan su gota would I be able to do it amhai ke wan su go ang and then I was going through all these mental health problems hinke ang saksak onek mane down feel khayo ani low self esteem ro kha hinke now as I look back mane ang wan su gota it was just a phase mane tabung ni generation no kabang ma borok no face khai tongo mental health issues and sometimes they think that it's the end of the world they want to quit they don't want to live anymore so I would want to say them ki if I can do it you can do it as well matlab don't give up yeah that's all
dale khana to sister ta kaisa kokang sayo mangkha nini ta bo kaisa organization kaisa institute hebo tong na sister ga nabon deshan ke sai khana na ta tam
ani kaisa grooming school tong agartala wo ang last year ni June ni swimming start khaika amoni bu mungke the glamour garage hinke ani duita co-founder tongo hinke anke to founder amoni hinke so we basically groom models mani ching model no groom khayo and ching casting bu khayo
okay
groom in the sense in pageantry ching himna rengma chining baya chini mane chini talent bu ma phunu go chung talent round hani kachi tong azaga we have to show our talents
talent mane rasamung musam
Resamong masam di sapano whatever you want to do man any ni kaisa talent oh my ta okay amun kaisa competition nung wasaga hangkai ni behavior towards other nung bhai ke bui bekok sanai bhai ke nung sak sak no present khai bini bas kango
okay
walk speech oh my kabang mati no kaisa mane grooming ni oh my ta
okay
hangkai we do casting as well mane chung tripura ro kuno mane shorok kha hangkai chung bor no cast khayo recently Guwahati bu kaisa North East International Fashion Week hanai ako fashion week na nayo kya man baga ching audition bo organize khai ka agartala so yeah it's going well by the grace of God
sister na grooming go musuk koiman na musuk tal rong ni bagi course abo man how many
abo
months na year
depend abo year tong ya depend khayo mane 3 months ni course tongo kai 3 weeks ni yo ma ke courses tongo ke like we have 3 courses kaise ke monthly ke kaise ke 3 months ni bagai te kaise ke 14 days ni bagai am dekhi chung mane class khai ri uta asa ka
bele kam sister an ang je buji ma kata nang bu kuno wan sugin khulo kana tamala norok mali anam ti hero tripro support ta je nang je samani abo nin school abo ni background lo bahin tai nang khulo ka
background hinke ang onek face khai ka mane jefru ang to washpun regional khai jaya ang start khai mane si zonal si start khai hinke onek face khai ka mane boi hinke to kubun hastini bor hinke ekdom well groomed hinke jefru Tripura ni sa tibu tongo Sikkim rock bang manam te state tongo je well groomed ya Manipur rock Assam rock hinke ekdom well groomed hinke jefru mane ang onek face ka mane boi jodo na ekdom kaham hi kok sai mano I was like onek dam hai feel khayo sak hinke mane ang na ya that future generation no jeni kaisa dream tong achieve khanya bagai hinke borok bo same problem face ta khaitung hinai yam ha ke na shigi no mane cheng khata ang
ana basically sister abo sin exposure kom ni boy nang
exposure kom hinkai amti rock lack of resource
okay bele kam sister bele kam khatung ka sister nang hanya sing piu nai tabok je upcoming budding jara beauty pageantry khanya mo sunai ro nang bong boy tam kok ka salung tong nai
kok ka son mong kamti no don't think about anyone because you only live once nini kaise imang tong kha hangkai ne unklok nashikta na handi simon first of all question khaine onek anabu question khai ka but still I did it if I can do it even you can do it because Tripura kaisa onek chikon se jaga being a Tripura sagal bor onek no finger point khayo ning amti ing nai future ro ning amti nai hene amti hero kuno ta negative kok no aside to nai positive kok no wan shugai mane bas kang thanan bagai ang jo to non advice re nang chumuta
bele kam advice nang sister same advice ang non rona non ang koi nei नोंसोरनि पेरेन्ट्स नि नोंसोरनि सोसाइटि दंनि बागै कक सार सिस्टार
parents dong no ke ang sanai mane not only intention mane kaham no happen sometimes not only decision galat ang imano mane we all are humans, we make mistakes, so nini mane tam sanai parents nang sanai that if your son or daughter has a dream, let them do it. Who knows, they can be the star. We never know. So amti nota and society no ke ang sanai mane being a woman, I face criticism a lot after winning this title.
ओ फायम परे फनसे
People pointed out things like, oh, mane, I don't want to take out all these things, but bishawa no, nang kubuni dofani boro be kaijak thangnai,
ओके
this and that. Hingi mane it really broke my heart. Mane ang to khaya khuble. Jefro
माने
ang
सिस्टार तंगे सिन सलारो असो इनसिक्योर
I don't know. Hingi am te heta mane Jefro ang jodi no am hai kuno I don't have any plans such. I'm still a kid. I believe that I'm only 19. So kaijak na ni kok roba onek ul ni kok si hai ti badara. Hingi mane am hai ke finger pointed khaijak mani rok. It's a very bad thing am hai ta.
सिस्टार हाइने कंटिन्यू खाइपिनाय ताका आं सोना मजमो सिस्टार ताबो निनि क्रिटिक्स रक नु तो साकान न फिंगर पॉइंट खाइने बतंग नै निनि क्रिटिक्स रन खाला न बाइक ओवरकम खाइके सिस्टार
Boro
ये खाली मंत्र ता माने
mantra is something like ang kuno saya borong no si ko tam sanai kaisa society tong na hanggang kai kaham butong nai hamye butong nai so nung kaham no nai shigi no hamya no mane piche rak ke nung mane biskang thani om ha kyang sauta because borok nung masa no si nung chup khairi nai but nung kabang borong to chup khairi maya and ni haters tong hagani ni supporters butong ya amti heta
सिस्टार ताबो निनि फ्यूचर इन नहर मुंगले बाहाय नों पेजेंट्री पाइ फेके मिस इंडियन का तार नों इंडियन रिप्रेजेंट खाइनाय नोंका संबो आं बता आन फेमिली होइते बां विस खायो नों पाइ फेते नबो नोंका बो बादेबो सिस्टार निन तै लाइबो नों तामरक खाइदे हानै नों वानसुक जाक निनि bucket list
bucket list as in emon to kuno plan khaizaya ko I'm just going with the flow but ani kaisa plan tongo ani baba bo mane society ni bai kam khayo he's a social activist ki bo mura singho da ham bai kam khayo and it really motivates me like I want to do something for my community mane ching onek no face khai tongo chung tripura tongoi no mane onek face khai tongo onek kiso mani rok hinke amte hinota like I want to do social work. Yeah, at least for now my plan.
सिस्टार नंग हाइने सुंनाय तामला आं वानसुक नों न नरखाय माने गेस न आमन साना बागै आन्सर साना बागै एलिजिबल म जों साना मजों सिस्टार ताबो पेजेंट्री नि हा मॉडलिंग रबो बिनि दुइटा साइड दं कन्स बो दं प्रो बो दं माने डार्क साइड बो दं मेरिट डिमेरिट्स दं सोंनाबो नके साइखना स्पेशली डिमेरिट्स
अच्छा demerits hingkai ching objective phai khai jogo bor rok bai mane bor rok chuna body shame ro khayo o bo kufung bo kera monek bini skin tone dark bini skin tone onek light eng thanga pale eng suka hingkai bor rok mane nung chigontia nung belai nung lok suka oma hake kabang mano criticism
माने अब सिस्टार नंनि माने ग्रुप नि बरंग खाइने फातारनि
fatarni of course mane society ni bor rok oma hake khaita because they still mane borok clear yeah about the concept of beauty pageant oma haita and good side thinkai to mane we got to show our talents kabang mane rounds tongo mane you get to explore you a lot hinke nung kabang mano friends rok sunami mano kubun state ni oma hai rok ta
प्लस नंग सिनि बरंग रिप्रेजेंट खाइतो
aw yeah
अब जसे माने आन तब जसे कक कतर हाइसे बेलेग खाना तो हाइने सिस्टार ताबो तक मॉडलिंग बाय ब्यूटी पेजेंट्री अब खता अलमोस्ट सेम हेंजा गदो लेमेन ब्लांक तो केवन सनम सिस्टर बंग डिफरेंस तो हांगा सादिसन तो तंग डिफरेंस
so beauty pageant is something, it's a competition where you get to represent your state or maybe your country. If regional lang khang hai, it can be district, it can be your hometown or anything. Okay, in beauty pageant hingkai chini kabang mano rounds tongo. It's talent round, personal interviews, and more on a question sungo that how much you are rooted with your culture. Social issues ni bagay shingnai. Ni state ni history hai ke bani ni countries ni history rong ni bagay onek no shungu and they will call you for maybe once you get selected for the competition, they will call you for 7 days or maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Sometimes it's 40 days. Nin grooming khayu borok and finale from the borok winner choose khayu ta. And so that's pageantry. And in modeling, they'll give you products, designer products, where you have to showcase it. It could be clothing products, it could be cosmetics, it could be a shoe brand, anything. So yeah, that's the difference between modeling and pageantry.
ang kakayo night na rabo clear ang kana this is tabok thangte closing notes nang sono kisa kasardi sister si night na rabo
uh, ang parents rong no sana musungo that if not only son or daughter they want to be in this field, I won't say that it's bad. Mane joto jaga no kaisa kaham side butongo hamia side butongo, but you have to be aware of it. And to those who have self doubts in themselves like me, it's just a phase. You can get out of the situation. So it's just a phase, and if you have a dream, just go for it because yeah, amo hainu ang sana mo sungdo to no. Thank you.
this is no thain hai tisang non congratulations sana mo sungo
Thank you so much, Dara.
sini haste ni sin tiprasa community no to phano kuchu go tulangka seng boltang plural site ha to tadong khobai saka seng khakhanai seng ninbai suri nai nang national level to paikano international thangai nang jate crown title sini do phani bai tui phai mana magai
Ham bhai Dara, thank you so much.
belaka hambai and podcast of phai magai tai no future magai best wishes tamai sister
Thank you so much.
hambai norok jotoro hambai ya farwang norok paithak jora sini episodes no nai tangmani bagai hengke ang khakayo norok tinino episodes naimani yagulo norok mungsale srumung tlang thangkana hanai ka abahinyo ang tebo kaham content valuable content nong bagi ang tubi phainai phaini hati bar rokobo kenor abai kana joyawi ano channel be krungi tongdi ta tabu phana jara krung yakhu norok jodi kuno value mani jo nong laibo anio channel ni through to hinkenor kindly consider subscribing to my channel kenor man khangke share bo khaidi tai all information sang spread khailai ke ang thangte o kong na sapinai let's listen learn and grow together hambai